Hi Dresser Kitties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Chang'e in her stage dress from Over the Moon. So let's get started. To draw this pop star version of this moon goddess, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and start with a point and come right across about right here. And I'm going to attempt to draw a bottom of a U, but much sharper. So let's come about right here. Now my 2 points. I'm going to curve it in. Curve in, so it's much wider here at the top, and then I'm going to come to about the center, bring it down to about right here, the center, and then go up. I'm just trying to make it a little bit more pointy. Yes, and it's very delicate. Okay, so I have this sharp face part right here, and then from there I'm going to come to about the center. Imagine this is her nose bridge area, and about right here I'll just give myself 2 points right in the center. From these 2 points I'm going to bring up a curve. So I'm going to go up. This is on the top of her eye, go up, and then flare it out with a slight curve. So I'll do the same thing on the other side. Go up, and as I come up right here, come across, and then flare out. So that's the 2 curves you want to start with. Then from there, I'm going to simplify this eye, come right in this area, and I'm going to draw kind of this ovalish round shape right here. And hopefully you can see it. I'll just put in 2 highlights, so a circle over here, and a circle at the bottom. And then in the center, I'm going to draw another oval and shade it in. But if you have one of those white out pens, you don't have to draw the highlights yet. And then we can just add some color right here in that white space. So let's do the same thing over here. So let's come right here once again, just the same level as the other side, and draw this ovalish round shape right here, and once again the same thing. There. And then at the bottom right here, I'm going to anchor my eye by drawing this little curve right underneath. So anchor my eye and bring this curve right underneath. And I'll come back in here now that I have this line pretty much set in. I'll come in here and thicken it up. And bring it in more at a point. So same thing here. Okay, so hopefully that wasn't too complicated. Then from there, let's give her a big smile. So right about this area right here, the center, I'm just going to bring up a curve and cap it off. And let's give her some eyebrows. So come to right here, and I'm just going to draw in a soft arc right above. And same thing right here. So about here, soft arc, and then down. So hopefully that kind of looks like Chang'e in my version. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come back to where we started right here, and I'll draw her ears. So just a curve, and I'll add in some details. So 2 little curves. So right here, same thing. And then from there, we're going to start to draw this first piece on her hair right here in the center, and I'll come right here. And I'll draw a curve right next to her brow, right in the center. From there, I'm going to bring this up for her beautiful hair. So nice round part right here. And before I finish that, I'm going to go ahead and finish off her face. I'll bring this up and then curve in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. Give a slight angle and then connect. There. So now that to finish this part right here, I'm going to come up about right there. I'll just give it some curves in the center one so it's not so round. Give it some texture and then connect it. if you like. It's all black, but I'll just come in here show you why I have those bumps. Just bring in some curves. Okay, then from there, let's see here, we're going to draw this center part right here, way at the top. So I'm going to come about right here and here, nice and centered. And I'm just going to imagine this going up. So before I finish that, I'm going to come in this area right here, tucked underneath, to draw this crescent. So I'll just come and say about right here. Just imagine this big curve. So it's easier for my hand. I'll just come about right here and draw this crescent that's tucked right above. Right here, I'm just going to draw this big curve. And I'll tuck this crescent moon in here and here, thicken it up. There. So that's why I want to have these two curves, and so I know where to place my moon and it doesn't go too far out. Go a little bit rounder. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come to the center and draw a circle right in the center. And I'll come in here and just draw this curve so that we know that's tucked into her hair. And then we can go ahead and finish this piece of hair right here, this bun, and come right around and connect. There. Okay, so we have those two pieces in. Now to draw the sides. So I'll come about right here and here, and say about right here. We have this one piece we need to draw in. And I'll draw, come out. So it kind of flares out a little bit, and about right here, I'll go ahead and connect it. And you know what? I'll just draw a little curve right here to give it some detail. So same thing on the other side, about right here and here. So once again, just give it a slight angle, round it off. It won't be the same, but we just want an approximate area and shape and size. So then connect. And once again, I'm just going to give it some detail. Now that we have these two top pieces in, let's draw the bottom. So I'm going to come right here and draw a slight angle down. And I'm going to angle it back to here where the ears are and curve in. And so then once again, I'll come in here and just draw a curve for some detail. And so same thing over here. And bring it in. Now that we're done with her hair, let's draw her body. So let's come to the center right here, and I'm going to draw a small neck right here and bring it out. Now I'll curve it out, and then I'm just going to go ahead and let's see here. I'm going to flare out this dress. So right here, I'm going to flare it up. This part of her dress right here on the shoulders. And so then about right there, I'll bring it in. And same thing over here. So flare it up, just like the other side, about right here, and bring it in. Then from there, I'm going to bring this all the way down to simplify it. Back and forth. I just want to make sure I'm nice and centered. So about right there. And I'm going to give her this tiny little waist. And right there. So pretty even. Then from there, let's come back over here, and I'm going to draw this V for this part of her dress, neckline. And then now we can go ahead and flare it out. So it's tiny little waist spot right here, and now I can just go ahead and flare it out. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this out more and go round it off. About right there. So let's come right here, and I'm going to draw this curve to give her dress some movement for this top layer and up. So I'm totally simplifying this part. So you just want to make sure you have this little wave right here. And then let's start on this side. I'm going to bring in this curve and we're going to draw the next layer. So right here, let's bring this out, come in again. And once again, we're just going to follow the top and we're going to bring it out about right here. So, and curve and connect. So now that we have these two layers in, we can totally just simplify the rest. Make it a little smoother. Okay, so we have one here, and then let's just simplify these by just making them with no curves. So now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of follow my tops. So one, about right here. Two more layers. Just give it some volume. And here, and last one. So just right here. Try as even as possible, and then this layer I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a regular curve right there. Okay, so then from there, now that we have her dress, and we're going to draw her legs. So I'm going to have them right here and here. And here, I'm just giving myself points so it's nice and centered. And about right here. So you just want to imagine her legs would be coming out. And let's bring this down. And I'm just making them simple so they're just pretty straight. No bend in the legs. So straight down, and it just gets thinner as we come down. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then about right there, I'll go ahead and bring it out for her feet. Flare out a little bit and then connect. Right here. Okay, so same thing on the other side. And about right here. Thinner as we come down. And then we're going to flare it out. And I just want to make sure about the same. And connect. There. Okay, so then for some details, we can just come right here. Maybe like a little strap, simplified of course, another strap here, then a center strap. And then she has these amazing heels right here. So I'll just bring this out and round it off. So same thing on this side. I'll just go ahead and draw these heels first. And round this off, strap, and center. Okay, so then we have the feet in. Now for the arms. So I'm having them stretched out. So imagine her shoulders, it's going to come out right here. Her armpits would be about right here. And let's see here. So it's easier for my hand. So I'll come over here and draw a curve and a curve. I mean an angle line about that much. And we'll bring this out. That much. And we're just going to draw a finger. Come out right here. Bring out a finger and then a thumb. And connect. And if you like, you can even draw another finger right in the back. So same thing on the other side. Right here. And here. Okay, so this side's much easier. I can go this way. So I just want to make sure they're kind of the same length. I'm gonna take a look at my camera here. And okay, about right there, go ahead and once again, draw a finger, it comes up, a thumb, and connect. And a little finger here in the back if you want to add some details. There, and that is pretty much it. So I'm just gonna put a little heart right here so you guys know, cuties know it's my Draw So Cute Chang'e. So they're all done. I really hope you love my version of Chang'e here in her Ultraluminary dress. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And thank you, cuties, for helping me vote for this dress to draw on her first. Make sure to please subscribe if you love this and to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.